an easy walk after eating so that we can live longer. Start with our feet. And just walking here, moving the arms. And lift the arms, shrug the shoulders up and back. Good, now left arm up, pull down. Right arm up, pull down. Good, on this next one, use both hands and pull down. Good, now bring the hands together, face each other, and we're gonna open and tap the leg, open. Good, tap out with the leg, open and close the arms. You got it. One more each side, and walk. Now widen the stance and push down, alternating the hand. And walk here. Now travel forward, bring the arms, bring the knee and open out. Opposite knee and open the arms out. Go as fast or as slow as feels right to you. And feel free to just walk in place if that's what your body is calling for today. Good, last one and walk. We're going to do that again in a moment, but we're going to lift up the opposite leg. If you don't remember which one you started with, that's okay. Just move a leg. It's not about being perfect. Ready? Let's travel forward, opposite, opposite. Good. Try to keep your back nice and straight. Last one, and back to center, back to walking. Wide stance, kick back, alternating the legs. Let's add a punch, kick and punch. And walk here. Let's do those kickbacks again, this time starting with our right leg. Right leg kicks back, right and left. Good, now punch. And walk. Low kicks with the legs. And we're going to alternate lifting the arms up. So low kick, like that. Join me when you're ready. Four, 3, 2, and 1. Let's walk. Now we're going to travel forward. When we get to the front, we're going to elbow, and then we're going to come back. We're going to elbow with the opposite elbow. Let's do it. Forward, elbow, elbow. Makes you think. You have to keep track of not just your legs, but your arms too. Last one. And back to center, back to that walk. Keep moving, my friend, you're doing great. In a moment, we're going to do that same movement. We're going to travel forward. We're going to start with our right elbow when we get to the front. Here we go. Let's go forward, elbow. Three more. Here's 2. And last one. Good. Okay, next one. I call this breaking the board. We're going to lift the knee up and we're going to do like this with the arms as if we were breaking a board on our leg. Start with the left leg, break, just like that. Instead of breaking, you want to just tap your leg, that's okay. Here's 4, 3, 2, and 1. Walk it out. Now you guessed it, in a moment we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do the right leg first. Here we go, right leg. Three, 2, 1. Walk. Now travel forward, and when you get to the front, I want you to lift a knee. Forward, knee up, back, knee up. Last one. And walk here. Keep breathing, don't hold your breath. Let's do that again. Come forward. This time, the right leg is going to be the knee that we lift. Here we go. And walk here. Okay, widen the stance. Good, now pretend you have a ball. We're going to dribble, dribble, dribble. So middle, side, middle, and side. Good, dribble, 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 dribble. Good. Keep rotating. the legs going. Last time. And walk here. Now this time we're going to come forward. Right leg is going to lift a little bit off the ground, and we're going to try to shoot the ball when we get to the front. Ready? Here we go. Lift a little and back. Forward and back. You don't want to lift the leg, you don't have to. You can tap it out. No jumping, but we are working on our balance and our coordination. 2 more. 1 more. And walk. Simple enough? Good. Let's do that again. This time, the left leg is the one that's going to lift out to the side. Here we go. Forward, shoot, and back. Go slower than me or faster than me. You do you, whatever that looks like in your body. We all have different bodies, different life experiences. And back to center, walk it out. Now elbows to the side. We're going to bend them down like we did before and reach up. Up, down, out. Up, down, out. Up, down, out. Three more. 2 more. Last one. Good job. Shake the arms and walk. Good. Now lift the leg and tap your thigh like this. Gentle tap. And walk. Let's do that with the other leg. Here we go. Tap. And walk. Now come at an angle. We're going to pull the rope down. With the arms, pull it down. Good. Now change directions, other side. Lift the arms, pull it down. And walk here. Good. From here, go to step touch, so bring them together and away. And slow down the pace a little. Good. From here, widen the stance. We're going to circle out in front. Shift your weight between your shoes. Good, gently stop, switch directions. And back to center. Nice work, my friends. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I'll see you over there for the next one.